All right, guys, leaf springs are out. Just need to pull them out of the way, both sides. I'm actually gonna take some of the hardware. It's all rusty, musty. So we're waiting for the bushes to come in. So I'll get these cleaned up on the wire wheel and just give them a quick little paint black. Make them nice and neat. Bolts, other part of the shackles. I'll get the rest of the nuts. Get them all cleaned up, ready to go. And I just gotta pop the trunk, get to the top of the shocks, unbolt them. Those will be out. I'll slide the new shocks in, so they'll be ready to go. And yeah, maybe I'll clean the bracketry too. Give it a nice cleaning so everything sits nicely. So there's some of the rest of the bolts. Get them all cleaned up and go from there. All right, guys, that's a quick update. We'll have another one here in a few. Like I said, guys, clean them up a little bit. Spritz them a little bit with some satin black. So when everything goes back together, it looks nice and clean. And yeah. Got the nuts and bolts too. Already done. I'm not gonna paint those black, just clean them up. Get the gunk, dirt, surface rust off them. All right, guys, that's a quick little update there.